first let's go to first concept, estimated income tax, right? So this estimated income tax means, simply this is the meaning, estimated income tax for the year. Income tax for the year. This is the meaning of estimated income tax. So even if I tell like this, you don't understand it properly. We'll assume, children, if you are doing your exam 2023 year, so you are getting your question for 2022 to 2023. So this is how we calculate accounting year, if not financial year, for a public limited company. Always it starts 1st April, right? Your accounting period should start 1st April. So starting 1st April 2022 and again ending 31st March 2023, right? Your period starts 1st April 2022 and ending 31st March 2023. So here to here there are 12 months of period, right? Here to here there are 12 months. So this 12 months we need to divide into 4 quarters. Keep in mind, children, 1 quarter 3 months. That means if not, you can keep in mind there are 4 quarters per year. You keep in mind there are 4 quarters per year. This is quarter 1, quarter 2, 3 and the 4. Right? So then there are 4 quarters. You need to calculate income tax for these 4 quarters. In your question paper, they will give you this income tax for the year answer. If not, income tax for this period answer will be given. So first quarter, second quarter, third quarter and fourth quarter. Now you know the first concept. First concept is estimated income tax. So estimated income tax means income tax for the year answer. So income tax for the year means there are 12 months, if not 4 quarters, income tax for this 4 quarters, right?